Hey everybody, thank you for joining. I'm your girl, Deborah McCampbell, licensed cosmetologist in the state of San Diego, California. Welcome. One of the customers asked me, how do you know when to moisturize and protein your hair when it comes to conditioners? Well, I'm glad she asked that because that is a really good question. Because one thing, you have to balance the two, moisturizing and protein, to have healthy hair. Hair is made up of protein. So we have protein in our hair and we have to put that back into it. And then when it comes to moisture, to keep our hair soft, to keep our hair manageable, we definitely need moisturizers, okay? So let's take it from the top. I got 5 tips for you. 1, when the hair is dry and it feels brittle, it's dry and it feels brittle, it feels rough, you're gonna need the moisture. If it's lack of elasticity, which means when you stretch it, it snaps, that means you need moisture. When it's dull of appearance and it don't look good to you, you definitely need moisturizer. Also, if you use heating equipment such as flat irons, blow dryers, curlers, all those kind of things, you want to do it. And also if you use chemical treatments such as relaxers, curly perms, color, all those things, okay? You're gonna use moisturizing conditioners more than you would use protein, because the hair, most of the time our hair is mostly dry, okay? So if you don't have high porosity, you can use a heating element such as a steamer or a dryer. Sit under the dryer with a processing cap on, however the directions say. Always follow manufacturer directions. So next, when do you use protein? When the hair feels weak. Definitely when the hair feels weak, it breaks easy. Also, if the hair is too stretchy, the hair shouldn't be too stretchy, because if it's stretched more than usual, then it's going to break. Also, if you have high porosity means that you're able to absorb moisture, but you're not able to keep it. So when you have high porosity, do not use any type of heating elements. Don't sit under the dryer when you're conditioning, that is. Don't sit under the hooded dryer. Don't sit under the heating cap. Don't sit under the steamer. Not when you have high porosity, because what happens is when you sit under any of those hot elements like that, it's going to open up the hair shaft like that. And it was designed to do that so that conditioner can deposit beneath the hair shaft, okay, and moisturize or protein the hair. But you don't need that if you have high porosity, because it's going to fall out. So you want it to stay. So just put a processing bag on it and let it sit for however duration the manufacturer's directions is telling you. Don't go overboard. Don't put so much on there. Don't do none of that. We always do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's not working. So the last one, not the last one, if it feels limp, when the hair is limp, it don't have no body, it don't have no shine, it's just life luster. So you're gonna do protein then. And also if the hair is visibly damaged, you looking at it and it just don't look healthy, it just look lifeless, and it's just split ends and it's just breaking. So another good indication that you need protein is when you get ready to shampoo and the hair is wet and it feels mushy or it feels gummy. It's really a weird thing, but it really does act like that. So when you balance protein and moisture in your hair, the hair is going to do wonderful. It will just flourish. It will just grow. Also, when it comes to leave-in conditioners, always use a leave-in conditioner, whether you use a moisturizer or a protein. The leave-in conditioner is magic. I'm telling you, the spray leave-in conditioner, because it's going to continue to moisturize and strengthen your hair and help with elasticity. All of those things matter when it comes to styling the hair. Then after you've done that, say you style as normal, use whatever products you use to do your styling. But the next 2-3 days, your hair feels like it's dry and it needs some type of moisture. Well, if you're natural, I use a cream moisturizer from Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture, the coconut, I think it's coconut and hibiscus enhancing moisturizer. Conditioner, not moisturizing. Yeah, moisturizer. And so, I use that. Right here, it's the little orange thing. It's really good. It's water soluble. I like all water soluble little products, because when you get in the water, it's so easy to rinse it off. See that? It's just like, yeah, don't set on your hair. And so, yeah, I like water soluble products that when I get ready to shampoo my hair, it's easily to remove. So I don't use oils, because oils is not a moisturizer. It's just going to stick on my hair. It's not going to allow any more moisture into my hair, and it's just going to make my hair in the worst state. And then when it comes to shampooing, I'm going to have to use a clarifying shampoo, and clarifying shampoo is meant to, deep cleanse the hair, but I don't want to always deep cleanse my hair because I didn't put those things on there. So I hope that helps you when you should moisturize and condition your hair. Your hair is a great indicator. It will tell you when. And you would definitely use the moisture condition more than you would use protein. So you should be shampooing your hair every 7 to 10 days. I was going to get off, but then I thought I better tell you this. You got to use you should shampoo it every 7 to 10 days. And then you use the moisturizing protein every time. But then when you use protein, you only use protein every 4 to 6 weeks. That's what I'm trying to get to. I was just listening to my husband's out there. Every time I get on to do a video, somebody want to come on here and do something. But anyway, yes, that's when you do it. You're going to moisturize your hair more than you would protein, because you don't need that much protein every 4 to 6 weeks, girl. All righty, ladies, this is all I got for you. If you like what you heard and you want more of me, just subscribe, hit the button. And also, there's a notification bell up there that you can find out when I'm going to come back on here. And I will come back, yes, and give you some more good stuff. Let me know what you want me to talk about. All right, it's your girl, Deborah. Welcome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and send some friends over here. I'm new on here, so show me some love. Talk to you later. Bye.